Okay, hi. I can already see people joining in. I thought I would have to wait for some time, but chalo, it's great. Hi. We'll wait for few more people to join in, right? Acha, before Purnima joins with us, I'll brief you about Travel Yara. Just a second. Okay, so like I'll introduce myself again. I'm Cheshta. I am a social media strategist with Travel Yara. Travel Cup Star. Okay, I'll come to that. Acha, so Travel Yara is a travel company. It is a 4-year-old established travel company, and we organize trips for the customers, which eventually turns into our family. राइट सो ट्रैवल कब से स्टार्ट हो रहा है दीपेंद्र? ट्रैवल अभी तो मोस्ट प्लेसेस में तो वी हैव स्टेट लॉकडाउन, सो वी कांट रिज्यूम ट्रैवलिंग, बट वी आर वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट टू लाइक प्रिपेयर एंड प्लान द ट्रिप्स एज सुन एज द सिचुएशन गेट्स नॉर्मल, सो वील प्लान इट. तो वो तो गवर्नमेंट पे बेस्ड है कि कब ट्रैवल स्टार्ट हो सकता है, राइट. एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सपैंड द लोकेशंस as much as possible. Just a second, I'm waiting for Purnima to join with us. I'll check if I am supposed to send her the request or I think she'll send me the request. Purnima. Okay. Hi Purnima. Hi, I welcome you to this.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
First of all, I hope you are doing, like, you and your family are keeping safe in this very, very difficult time.
Yes, घर से बाहर ही नहीं निकल रहे. Inside the house only.
Right. So you must be missing traveling the most right now, and you can not like
very much.
But how do you manage अभी घर पर? Like, have you accepted this as a new normal, or are you doing something else?
Actually, last year भी यही था. Last year जो lockdown था काफी लंबा था. Like बहुत, I think 4-3 months का था. So that's why उस टाइम पे भी ये मैनेज करना पड़ा कि ट्रैवल नहीं किया मैंने. So after that I travel to Kedarnath in October. But with all the precautions, सारी precautions लेके ही ट्रैवल किया है.
Great. So like before we come to travel, I would like to ask you, what do you do? Like, are you studying or do you work?
I'm working with like private sector only right now.
Okay.
So I'm running my YouTube channel also on travel blogs. Yeah.
Right. So to the
my channel name is Nomad Musafir.
Right. So to all the viewers, I would like you to know that Purnima, she has her own YouTube channel, and also along with travel, she dances really well. I saw your YouTube channel.
Thank you so much.
Right, it was very beautiful. So you are a full entertaining, like self-entertaining package in yourself. Dance and travel self-create. Right.
Yeah, both are my passion.
Great. So so like how did you started with the idea of traveling, and like at what age?
Not like I have interest from childhood only, but उस टाइम पे ये होता है कि पेरेंट्स के साथ जाना होता है. So जब मैंने ऑफिस अपना जॉब स्टार्ट किया, then that time I started traveling, but vlogging का मैंने स्टार्ट किया in last year only. So I travel a lot in India and abroad also in Malaysia.
Great. So what was your last trip? Like before
last
this
trip? Kasol only. Kasol to Chalal Trek, then Tosh village also.
That's great. I saw your
great.
Right. Yeah. So coincidentally, my last trip was also the very same. Like it was in first week of April. Kasol, Khirganga, Tosh, and all that Chalal.
So you also went solo or with a group?
No, I went with friends. Like
friends.
Right. Okay. So how did your trip go?
Kasol trip.
Right.
Yeah, that was great. Like I planned solo. मैंने solo ही plan किया सब कुछ. Then actually I go by like बस से मैं गई थी, यहाँ से मैंने booking की थी online. Then मैं actually वो unplanned था, पहले से कुछ plan नहीं किया था कि मुझे यहाँ रुकना है. वहाँ मैं गई तो वहाँ मैंने खुद से explore करा कि मुझे कहाँ रहना चाहिए. तो river side वहाँ पे बहुत सारे अच्छे camps हैं, तो मैं वहाँ पे रुकी थी. वो अच्छा experience था. Then चलाल ट्रैक भी बहुत अच्छा था. वो एक
चला
विलेज है, प्रॉपर विलेज।
ज्यादा सुंदर था, बहुत
हाँ,
ज्यादा
क्योंकि वो रिवर के साथ है पूरा, तो एक अलग ही फील आता है।
फीलिंग था। वो बिल्कुल डिफिकल्ट नहीं था, बस वो एक वॉक थ्रू द नेचर जैसा था, बहुत ही
हाँ
इजी,
बिल्कुल,
मेस्मराइजिंग था।
तो बहुत
राइट,
इजी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। तो वो एक्सपीरियंस काफी अच्छा रहा सोलो का। थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होती है, लाइक सोलो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है, बट अगर यू कैन मैनेज
राइट,
तो आप कर सकते हो।
right. So it must be more difficult, like because you're a female travel blogger. So obviously there are gender-centric issues, and especially in a country like India. So how do you deal with that?
यस, नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जेंडर स्पेसिफिक, बट हाँ ये है कि थोड़ा सा लगता है कि लड़कियों को पेरेंट्स अलाउ नहीं करते ज्यादा, बट ये है कि पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा सा हमें एक्चुअली उनको ट्रस्ट दिलाना पड़ता है, वी कैन ट्रैवल अलोन, वी आर स्ट्रांग, सो दैट हमें करना पड़ता है। अगर आप स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे खुद से, इंडिपेंडेंट स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे, देन दे विल नॉट ट्रस्ट ना, कि अगर आपको पहला स्टेप खुद से लेना पड़ेगा।
सही बात है। तो मतलब हाँ, वो भी एक पार्ट है, बट अदर देन दैट देयर इज अ कंसर्न, बिकॉज मतलब सेफ्टी का भी कहीं ना कहीं वो गलत भी नहीं है। तो
हाँ बिल्कुल,
तो ऐसा कुछ
सेफ्टी का कंसर्न है, उसके लिए भी आपको लाइक जो भी आप बुकिंग कर रहे हो, लाइक बस से जा रहे हो या जहाँ भी आप अकोमोडेशन ले रहे हो, वो आप पहले से ही चेकआउट कर लो कि कैसा है, लाइक
राइट, तो
सेफ है या नहीं। यू कैन चेक लाइक रिव्यूज ऑल्सो, हाँ ऑनलाइन आप चेक कर सकते हो। अगर पहली बार ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो ऑनलाइन आपको सारे चेक करना चाहिए, रिव्यूज चेक करने चाहिए कि कैसा है वो अकोमोडेशन एंड बस ट्रैवल भी सब कुछ।
So on that note, like Travelyaara, particularly female जो अगर सोलो ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं कोई, तो that's a good platform for them, because मतलब वो ट्रैवल कंपनी के साथ they book their bookings, right? So they suggest them that the best, right? They suggest them the best of the bookings. Also, our Google review is 5.4, so that's great as well. Right.
I know Travelyaara. I will definitely go for a solo trip with Travelyaara team.
We would love to have you. So अभी down only, so you can't travel वैसे भी, I can't step out of my place.
Without your like RT-PCR test आप नहीं कर सकते हो ट्रैवल। तो किसी भी अदर स्टेट में आप जा रहे हो तो वो मैंडेटरी है। देन लॉट्स ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, ये सब मैंडेटरी, आप कहीं भी जाते हो अगर प्लान करते हो तो।
Right. Is there anything particular like you would like to share with the viewers कि while traveling what are the precautions which we can take, like considering COVID?
Okay. कोविड में लाइक आपको पहली बात तो कैरी करना चाहिए इनफ, लाइक आपको मास्क लगा के रखना है, देन सैनिटाइजर आपको कैरी करना है, देन डिसइंफेक्ट स्प्रे। अगर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो बस से, ट्रेन से या फ्लाइट से, तो आप यू कैन स्प्रे दैट पर्टिकुलर सीट जिसमें आप बैठ रहे हो, ताकि आपको कुछ ऐसे सेफ्टी रहे, आपके प्रिकॉशंस रहे। तो दैट इज, एंड साथ में आप ये है कि यू कैन फॉलो ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शन गाइडलाइंस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टेट जो भी है, तो उस चीज को ध्यान में रखना, देन यू कैन ट्रैवल।
Right. So there are some of the viewers, they're asking you some questions that suggest some place in South India to travel.
South India, no, I never travel.
Okay. And someone is asking
Goa. I have like Goa with my family, but in college time only. So.
अच्छा, great. So would you like to share some मतलब कोई particular experience which was like which is worth sharing travel का? There are some people asking. Right, हाँ.
Okay. So actually मैंने एक ग्रुप को ट्रैक किया था, that was like lifetime experience for me. So वहाँ पे मैंने काफी सारी चीजें like as a survival कैसे करते हैं survival, वो मैंने वहाँ पे फील किया। तो हाँ, वहाँ पे काफी डिफिकल्टीज आई, मतलब वो 7 days का ट्रैक था। 7 days. So we need, हाँ उसमें हमें कैंप में ही रहना होता है, कोई पर्टिकुलर आपको होटल नहीं मिलता, कुछ नहीं। तो आप जहाँ जैसे जैसे आप पर डे आप आगे जाते हो हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड पे, ऑक्सीजन लेवल भी कम हो जाता है। सो दैट वाज द लाइक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस, सर्वाइवल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी।
Okay,
so it's in Chamoli district.
I have heard of it. Like someone in my known has also went to this trip. It was damn scary. Right. So someone asked me tell us the best experience. So I'll consider this under the best experience. Okay. So what's your favorite place you have visited?
My favorite place, Rupkund only.
Okay. And one of the viewers is asking that what is your worst experience of travel? Okay, they are already asking so many questions. I can't ask any question. Right. Anyway, it's good that you guys are interacting. Please keep asking questions.
वर्स्ट नहीं था ऐसा कुछ, वर्स्ट तो मुझे लगा नहीं एक्चुअली। जो भी एक्सपीरियंस रहा मुझे लगा कि दैट इज वर्थ फॉर मी।
And counts under the experience
तो
only, I think, right? And
वर्स्ट में मैं कुछ ऐसा काउंट नहीं करती। लाइक ट्रैवल तो आई लव टू ट्रैवल, तो मुझे वर्स्ट जैसा कुछ कभी लगा नहीं। तो
right,
एवरीथिंग इज
makes
गुड फॉर
sense.
मी।
So one of the viewers asking that have you ever tried scuba diving? Right.
Scuba diving is like it's in my list, so I will try. So that's I have tried paragliding, flying fox, not scuba diving, but that is in my list
Okay.
only.
Oh, that's great. Okay, I think Simran is asking that what is your favorite adventure? As in, like, again, that scuba diving, trekking, mountain climbing, like traveling.
Scuba diving.
Scuba diving.
Scuba
Okay,
diving.
great.
It's my favorite, but I never did. But that's my favorite. I want to do that.
Right. What
Do
place
you
is on the
love
top of
water
your bucket
sports?
list?
Yeah. So, top of the bucket list. Okay, it's Egypt,
Egypt.
other
Wow.
country. Yeah.
That's fascinating. Okay.
Yeah,
Acha,
that is.
right. So we'll talk a little about like travel essentials and tips during COVID. So I
Yeah.
already asked you like to keep to what are the safety tips which you can follow, that you can take the most of the precautions. Right now we won't suggest to travel because obviously there are cases
Yes.
are rising, but once things get normal you have to accept it as the new normal and you have to take the precautions, right? You have to keep taking the precautions. I don't think there will be anytime soon you could just move without mask or like sanitizer,
Yes.
mask का like sunscreen और goggles जैसे रखना पड़ेगा आपको. So
Yes, anytime.
anytime you have to keep it. Other than that, do you suggest any other particular ऐसी कोई place which you can't travel right now? मतलब in any time soon. मतलब once the things get normal, what are the places which you should avoid traveling as the like as a travel
I think
blogger?
international trips right now.
Or more. Can't wait to watch
Yes.
your vlog. Great. What is your favorite travel-based movie? Okay, that's a good question. Do you? I don't
ये
have.
जवानी है दीवानी।
ये जवानी
है दीवानी।
वो तो मतलब बहुत लोगों को इंस्पायर करती है। अच्छा, तो तब और वो मतलब हाँ इतना ऐसी बहुत ही मतलब
I can relate myself. हाँ,
Right.
मैं relate कर सकती हूँ।
Right, it is relatable to many people, so that's great. Chalo, great.
Yeah.
So, what do you? Manasi is asking, what do you prefer, beaches or mountains? There are so many
Mountains.
Mountains. Okay. I was assuming that. Your most of the locations were mountain centric only. So, chalo, great. Okay. Have you been to road trips? Someone is asking this
Road
again.
trips. Yeah.
Right.
Road trips I did.
So, someone is asking, what are your top 3 traveling essentials? Right. So, because you're a vlogger, so yeah, essentials.
So I carry my gimbal. Vlogging
Sorry?
के लिए gimbal is necessary.
I'm sorry, I
Gimbal
don't.
is like it's for like video stability. Yeah, recording purpose.
Okay, that okay, I got it. When
That
you put
gimbal.
and okay, right.
Yeah.
And that is an essential for sure for you.
So that is
Right.
for vlogging and backpack, comfortable
Right.
shoes like trekking shoes.
So someone is asking, what is your favorite food while traveling? Food while traveling, वो तो जहाँ का होगा वैसा.
Yes. In Kasol, I like that falafel pita platter. That was good.
I saw you. You literally went so deep into the forest wala thing and you discovered that place. That was amazing. I didn't get to do that. So someone is asking, does food habits affect your traveling? There are a lot of
Sorry?
Does your food habits affect the traveling? Like
No.
हाँ मतलब as such I don't think if it makes sense, but food habits मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि directly affects your traveling, but if you like traveling to a hill मतलब बहुत ही hill वाले एरिया पे हो, so you should avoid मतलब heavy food.
हाँ, अगर आपको जैसे मोशन सिकनेस वाली प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, तो आप उसमें फ्रूट्स ले सकते हो. सो दैट इज लाइक ऑरेंजेस ले लिया, लेमन ले लिया. सो दैट इज आप उसमें हैवी फूड नहीं ले सकते हैं, ऑयली नहीं ले सकते, हैवी नहीं ले सकते.
So I think we can already we have interacted a lot in this short period of time. There were a lot of questions. And you were able to like answer it really well. So I hope you had a great time. So before we end this live session,
I had a very great time. Yeah.
Likewise. So do you like before we end this live session, do you have any general tip which you would like to share to the aspiring travelers like myself and many others? Anything you would like to say? Like how beautiful traveling is basically. So right.
Yeah, it is very beautiful. You can know yourself. उसमें ये होता है कि आप जाते हो, then if you sit in a quiet place, peaceful place, so आप you can know yourself. आप खुद को जान सकते हो, feel कर सकते हो,
बिल्कुल,
तो आप
बिल्कुल।
environment feel करते हो, जिस भी environment में आप बैठे हो. So that is a good thing. वो एक inspiration ही है.
वो एक इंस्पिरेशन, मतलब नेचर से क्लोज रहना ही अपने आप में इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल। कहीं भी जाओ,
Nature है, हाँ, like
इतना
nature is
डायनामिक
everything.
नेचर, राइट। सो अगर मतलब सिर्फ इंडिया में देयर आर ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ लैंडस्केप, ऑल टाइप ऑफ लोकेशन, इतना डाइवर्सिटी है, सो यू गेट टू मीट पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट कल्चर। सो आई थिंक वी कैन एंड दिस लाइव सेशन हियर। इट वाज रियली नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू, एंड आई रियली thank you so much. I really wholeheartedly welcome you to like from Travel Yara to join us on a trip. Up
Yeah,
next
sure, I will.
हमारे साथ आइए,
I will.
it
Thank
would be
you
a
so
good
much.
experience, right? Okay,
Yes,
and
it was a
thank you
great
everyone.
experience, and thanks for giving me this opportunity to interact with you and like all
Thank
who
you for
are
accepting
online.
the opportunity. Thank you for coming with us. That's great. Thank you so
Yes,
much
thank
everyone
you.
for joining. I hope we were able to answer most of the questions. I can't see all the questions. I can see only one question at one time, so it's really difficult for me to scroll. But I hope we were able to answer most of the questions. Thank you so much for joining in.
Yeah.
I live session here, right?
Thank you
Okay.
so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.